Right guys, I am doing a review of this Arkopia. This is freeze-dried smoothie. This is their greens. I did one of their ones for the tropical, so this is the greens version. And it's freeze-dried smoothie basically. It's just a whole bunch of fruit powdered up and freeze-dried pretty much. So if you guys take a look, there's banana, pineapple, spinach, and kiwi. So I'm gonna put it into my cup, add water, mix it up, and that's it. So give me 1 second. Alright, smell-wise, this one doesn't smell as good as the tropical. It smells like wheatgrass, pretty much. Alright, here we go. Let me mix it up. Alright, it's ready. Let's do a quick taste test. You can taste the, definitely taste the pineapple in there. And it is thick like a smoothie. It's not bad, but I still prefer the fresh one. But it's not bad, actually not bad. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, subscribe to the channel.